In today's video, we are going to create this t-shirt mockup using Affinity Photo. Let's get started. First, open the t-shirt mockup in Affinity Photo. If you want mockups like this, I have created 18 high-quality mockups. You can buy them on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Now, let's get back to our design. Unlock the mockup image if it is locked. Then, place the design file onto the mockup. If you want to follow along, I have provided a link to download this mockup and design for free. Resize and position the design on the shirt as needed. Next, we need to add some creases and wrinkles to the design to blend it with the mockup. First, select the mockup and apply a live Gaussian blur filter. This smooths out the texture details on the t-shirt, which will be helpful later. Increase the blur radius so that the textures look smooth without losing too much detail. I'll use a blur radius of about 6 pixels for this image. Next, select the design file and apply the live Displace filter. In the Live Displace tab, if we increase the strength, nothing will happen at first because the Displace filter applies distortion based on a pattern defined by a displacement map. We will use the blurred mockup as our displacement map. So, click on Load Map from Layers beneath. Now, if we increase the strength, we can see our design develops some creases and wrinkles like the mockup. For this design, a strength of 35 pixels works well. Once done, close the Live Displace filter. To blend the shadows and highlights, change the blend mode of the design to multiply. You can move the design around and see the wrinkles and creases update in real time. Finally, hide the live Gaussian blur, and our mockup is ready. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thank you for watching.